Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Bing on computer. So how to use Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Bing on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via a browser on your computer. Here you are already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To use Excel and Microsoft Bing, just point the cursor to the top of the menu bar. Tap the three-line icon here. A scrolling menu will appear down. Here there are many menu options such as Translate, History menu and other menus. Tap Microsoft 365. Well, here there are many choices. Tap Excel. Now here you will enter the Excel home menu. To get started, tap to create a new one here. Now here you are on the Microsoft Excel work display. Here you can create work with Microsoft Excel without having to install it. To save your work, tap the file icon here. And down tap Export. And here comes out some file formats. Select the format that you want and need. With Microsoft Bing you can use Microsoft Excel without having to install it. So that's it, the tutorial how to use Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Bing on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.